Good day guys! For today's video, nandito po tayo sa aming stockyard. And let me introduce you our 2026 Mitsubishi Expander Cross. So ano nga bang bago? So guys, start tayo dito. Sa grills niya, may SUV modern look, front fascia with U-design of front grille gloss black finish. Sa bumper naman guys, ayan, mas chunky siya and rugged tignan.
Sa headlamps, same pa din naman, LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights. So guys, pasensya na kayo. As of now, umuulan po kasi ngayon dito, kaya medyo maingay.
Sa mugs naman, 17-inch two-tone. So meron siyang silver accent sa bandang dulo. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-upgrade ng rims. At yung matte body moldings niya naman guys, ayan, meron siyang silver accent sa gitna. So mas pinasosyal tignan. So bago din yung bumper niya sa likod guys. Chunky din tignan or mas bulky. Pagdating naman sa interior guys, ayan, start tayo dito sa steering wheel. Steering wheel is 3-spoke leather wrap with audio controls and cruise control. 8-inch integrated LCD multi-info display. 10-inch na yung dating 9-inch smartphone link audio with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At syempre, multi-around monitor na nagbibigay ng 360 view. So guys, isa pa sa pinakabago dito is yung color ng interior. Sa 2025 na Expander Cross, may navy blue na klase ang looks. Pero dito sa 2026 is burgundy, kaya mas luxurious feels inside. Seat material, synthetic leather seats with heat guard. At bago pa dito, yung adjustable second row center headrest. Isa pang bagong features na nadagdag is built-in car alarm system for additional security sa ating vehicle. Okay guys, pag-usapan naman natin ang promos and prices ng Expander 2026 model. For our base model, Expander GLX manual transmission, 1,099,000 ang SRP and 35,000 all-in down payment. For Expander GLS automatic transmission, 1,259,000 SRP, 100,000 ang cash discount, 15,000 all-in down payment. At last, Expander Cross automatic transmission, 1,378,000 ang SRP, 110,000 cash discount, and 20,000 all-in down payment. So yun lang guys for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way guys, I'm Kristen Escarda, your sales consultant from Mitsubishi Pic Motors, Manila. For more details, tawagan mo lang ako sa aking number na 0916-760-4009 at ako nang bahala sa approval mo. See you!